Oh, awesome. All the way out. Just the body relax for me. Oh, I feel a little bit more pressure and pain right here as I'm pressing some with the massage tool. Behind the shoulder blade as well. Let me know if you feel any tenderness or significant pain.